Hey folks, Vlogger John here. It's Saturday, June the 18th. It's around 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm starting out a little bit late, but look what I have on here. It's only about 14 Celsius today. That's what they're calling for, a high. Yesterday was about 28 Celsius, but we had a cold front come in last night, some rain, and it's a great day to get some wood cut. I have some storm damage from about a month ago. I got over here, there's a white pine that blew down, and then an ash, and then I noticed a black cherry blew down. I'm going to go get those. There's a white pine farther back. I'm not sure if I'm going to get that. I might see how it goes. There's a couple of elms to actually cut down. This is the first Saturday I've had off in about a month and a half, I guess. And I was kind of planning on doing some wood today, but I thought it might be really hot. But the weather's worked out for me to do wood. There's my Massey, all ready to go. I have my 036, and hey, I have no chains. The last time I cut wood with the tractor, I had my chains on. It's going to feel a little funny with no chains cutting wood, but so I'm going to go at it here, and we'll see over at, I think I'm gonna go try to get the pine first. It's a little bit windy, so I don't know if that's gonna screw up the video today, but there's a pine blew down over there. I'm gonna go get out. It's probably just good for firewood. And the ash is just right there. So we'll see how it goes. There's gusts of wind today up to 50 kilometers an hour. It's been a while since I made a wood cutting video, so I'm kind of excited to get out and do some cutting. And yeah. Actually, this is the first time I've tried my 036 since I put a carb kit, fuel filter, new sprocket, new fuel line. I think that's it, what I did to that, and got her sharpened up, so it's ready to go. Okay guys, got cow shit on my tire. Okay guys, I'm over here at this one pine. Looks like Billy already beat me to it. He did mention he was going to look at it and maybe take a log out of it. He took one little log out of this here, but I guess he figured the rest wasn't any good. You can see where it uprooted. Well, a small one too. I'm going to get it. I'll get this. And then we have this maple blew down. Yeah, we had a windstorm there about must be a month ago almost. A really bad one. Wasn't too bad right here. We had some trees down, but some places down around Ottawa in that area got hit really hard. So I'm going to try to, we'll see here how it goes. I might cut it off right there. You can see where he cut off one piece. And see if I can skid it out there a bit. And then get that smaller one. Okay guys, I'll set you guys up somewhere. Okay guys, hard to see it down there, but there was a rock right underneath where I was cutting. So I just worked out though, put the wedge in it. Saw sounds like it's not quite idling enough, right? I'm gonna have to adjust the idle on it a little bit. It's not quite idling fast enough. Wants to shut off. I'm gonna see if I can pull this whole chunk out. Okay guys, get this guy out and then see what I can do with this maple. Might be able to almost knock that down. I'll see. It's not much holding it up there, it's kind of caught in that pine. Okay, well first we'll get this out. Okay. Okay guys, that was pretty easy getting that tree down. I'll limit it up, we'll get it out. I got these two over here ready to hook up, bring it to the wood pile, and then come back and get the maple, I guess. And then I got the other ash to get over there. My battery's dying, so stay tuned. I'll grab a new battery when I go out to the house. Okay guys, got a fresh battery, adjusted the idle on my saw, seems to be running okay now. Got those 2 chunks of pine out. I think my battery died at the end there. I don't know how much footage I got coming up to the yard there, but now I gotta go get back and get that maple, and you can see the ash right there. I'm gonna go grab. Well, I'm not really going to grab it, it's going to take a bit of work. Pull it out of there, limit. You can see the ash here, well, over there. They're getting pretty thin looking, the leaves, unfortunately. There's that elm I'm talking about behind the old pig house. It's the slowest dying tree I've ever saw in my life. It's been dying for 3 years now. It's still got a few leaves on it, but might cut it. If it doesn't fall on the pig house, we'll see. There's another ash right there that's getting pretty skimpy looking leaves on. Thanks to the emerald ash borer. But I won't be cutting any of that stuff till the winter time. Okay guys, I'll go back and get that maple.